Good evening, friends. My name is Shubham Goodwin, and as my today's topic is linked list. Linked list is a part of the collection frameworks present in Java until package. This class is an implementation of the linked list data structure, which is a linear data structure where the elements are not stored continuous location, and every element is a separate object with a data part of address part. The elements are linked using the pointers and the address. Each element is known as a node. Due, due to the dynamically and easy of instance deletion, then are performed over the array. It also has few disadvantages, like nodes cannot be accessed directly. Instead, we need to start from need and follow through link is rich or not we wish to access. uh, example linked list. Public class test a public class for element string arrays create linked list string and new linked list string, adding element uh, a dot add a a dot add b, a dot add last c, a dot add first b, a dot add to and e. This is how to system dot printer when 11 and remove b, remove 3, remove first, remove third, and output is DAEBCA. It is an example of adding and removing linked list data. Performing various operations on linked list. Let's let's see how to perform some basic operations on the linked list. First, adding element. In order to add an element to an add list, we can use the add method. This method is an overload to perform multiple operations based on different parameters. They are: first, add objects and add index objects. First of all, add objects. This method is used to add an elements at the end of the linked list. Add index object. This method is used to add an element at a specified index in the linked list. Example: public class Shubham, public static void string args linked list string 11 string uh, uh, linked list string 11 equals to new linked list string 11 dot add Shubham 11 dot add Shubham 11 dot add 1 and 4 system ln 11 output Shubham for Shubham. It is a add and elements. Second one is changing elements. After adding the elements, if we wish to change the element, it can be done using the set method. Since a linked list is indexed, the element which we wish to change is referred by the index of the elements. Therefore, this method takes an index and the update elements which needs to be inserted on the at the index. Okay. Removing elements. In a remove an elements for linked list, we can use the remove method. This method overload to perform multiple operations has been the different parameters. They are: remove objects. This method is used to simple remove an object from the linked list. In there are multiple such objects, then the first occurrence of the object remove int index. Since a linked list is an index, this method take an integer value which simply removes the elements present at the specific index in the linked list. After removing the element, all the elements are moved to the left to fill the space, and the index of the object are update. Okay. For the littering the linked list, there are multiple ways to uh, iterate through the linked list. The most famous way are by using the basic for loop combination with the get method. Get method the elements are specific index and advanced for loop. Okay friends, thank you.